Day 3, and we are planning to remove the dashboard and change the airbags, which is not going to be fun. I'm not looking forward to this. Necessary, but definitely not looking forward to it. So I figure the first thing I need to do anyway is take off this steering column cover. So we will be trying to do that today. Figure out what's going on here, why you won't come off. Okay, so this cover is going to need to come off first. And the side panel cover, so that's off. I'd hoped that'd make it a bit easier, but it doesn't seem to be doing much. What am I missing?
Woke up praising God, homie, went fast, stupid, sip and smoke, need to detox, ayy. Work out, I need some reballs. They only love you when shit get popular. Cop another car, pop another car. Buy out the bar in the club, a money march. Can't love a bad and bougie. Can't fall in love with a groupie. Felt like Mitch, like I need some love. Days like I don't need no one around me. Bud in the crusher, pack it around, she's fact. Had the German map, but it got too bait, still German after the shoots. Running around in the A3 hoops. Young boys at the savages group. Man think I float from wood, but fam all over the district. Social life of a misfit, I was outside with the trillers. Good guys mixed with villains, like ice cream for kids and rundown niggas, come on. I was outside with gorillas, come on. Shit, then.
Tell them stay humble, you don't know about life in the jungle, ayy. Real concrete jungle, don't fall, don't slip, don't stumble, ayy. Tell them stay humble, you don't know about life in the jungle, ayy. Real concrete jungle, don't fall, don't slip, don't stumble, ayy.
About seeking profit, stop it, I was inside with
profit.
Young boys out with a pump, concrete jungle, gorillas and chimp chumps. Tell a boy go get bucks, money, can he flow, borrow that one. Love for the crew and stuff. Wood, star dog zoots and stuff. Hashtag skirt. Out here from night till daylight, fuck beef, I'm after bread like hookers. Ends man hot like cookers. Done talking, two-door, no gun walking, man fly out the backseat. Mad when you hear man talking in it about machine, but see man dashing. Fuck that anyway, just see Stacy, more like a bro gang. Back out flavors, cash on Ciroc, I'm back now. Shots to the face, no gangster. Putting up felt calm and I focus. More time, treat Germans like Hoodz. Us move, no blood clot, Carlos fat boy P had new keys.
Stay humble, you don't know about life in the jungle, ayy. Real concrete jungle, don't fall, don't slip, don't stumble, ayy. Tell them stay humble, you don't know about life in the jungle, ayy. Real concrete jungle, don't fall, don't slip, don't stumble, ayy. Tell them stay humble, you don't know about life in the jungle, ayy. Real concrete jungle, don't fall, don't slip, don't stumble, ayy. Tell them stay humble, you don't know about life in the jungle, ayy. Real concrete jungle, don't fall, don't slip, don't stumble, ayy.
So as you can see guys, we've persevered and the dashboard is halfway out. I'm not sure what it's getting caught on. It's really annoying the hell out of me though, because this is like, yes, as I say, this is the home straight, and it's not coming out, but woo, there we have it. There it is guys. Now, that was not flipping easy, especially since there was a screen up here and all the infotainment parts connected there, and that was a pain in the backside, but yeah, it's done. So we'll have a look at the car with no dash. All you can see is wires. No, I think the guys that actually sold me the other one are genius, because they could not be bothered to go through all that hassle. So what they did was took out these bolts. I think there's a few of these. Separated the steering column, which is that thing down there. Yeah, and they just pulled out the whole thing. They were not messing about, man. They couldn't be asked to be faffing about, so they just took it all out straight, man. But me, I haven't got time to be taking out all that stuff. Plus, it's really heavy. Can you imagine like, having to lift this frame part as well? It's a pain in the arse. So, yeah. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that's done. It's done. Dedication. I'm trying to be persistent and determined. It is, I think, about 10 o'clock. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. I don't know what time it is. But yeah, we've got it done. The old system is out, so I've got a few bits to take off the new one, and we can get ready to put that in. I think that's going to be tomorrow though. But at least we've made some progress. You know what I mean? I didn't want to give up and leave all of it for tomorrow. I would have been upset if I had to be doing all this tomorrow. So now it's just a case of putting stuff in. So I've taken out obviously the old airbag and the dash is out. So yay, we're gonna have fun trying to get all that in tomorrow. So cold, can you see it? Oh my gosh.
Woke up praising God, homie went fast, stupid sip and smoke, need to detox, ayy. Work out, I need some Reebok. They only love you when shit get popular, cop another car, pop another